Hi, welcome to Yao Mandarin. I'm Yao. My passion is to support people who want to learn Chinese characters and make Chinese characters easier to understand. I'll help you get to know Chinese characters, radicals, and vocabulary. All the Chinese characters on my channel are in traditional Chinese. If you want to learn traditional Chinese, you are in the right place. My first language is Mandarin Chinese, and I'm from Taiwan. We read and write in traditional Chinese. I'd love to share this beautiful language with all of you. I focus on Chinese radicals and show you many related characters, helping you memorize them easier. As long as you know the basics, you'll be able to expand your Chinese characters soon. Sounds good? If you want to know more about Chinese characters and radicals, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. I'll upload videos every week, and it would be great to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my videos. See you again soon. Bye bye.